The smile. On top of the endless polar darkness, there was bad weather in Kingaq for months. The wind only went to rest from time to time, bringing a nasty blizzard that buried everything under deep snow. Only the top of Ahnah's igloo was visible in the mountain of white flakes. The Arctic birds stopped flying. The land animals disappeared. The pond ice grew so thick that no one could break it in order to fish. The howling wind even destroyed the inunnguaq on the hill. All dogs except Ahnah's favorite husky, Akiak, died, so the puppy was allowed to live in the igloo. All too soon, Ahnah's mother was dividing the very last piece of fish between her child and the puppy. There was no more food. Finally, the wind hid away for a while, so Ahnah's parents put on their snowshoes and went to forage in a faraway place where dwarf willow clumps slumbered beneath the snow. They told Ahnah they would be back soon. The first time she went to sleep after her parents left, Ahnah had a dream about the inunnguaq. The sky was cloudless and quiet. The full moon shone ifarugfi a bluish veil. Ahnah and Akiak melted the snow on the hill with their breath. They blew the heavy boulders on top of each other and rebuilt the inunnguaq. The happy human-shaped sculpture smiled aside as a sleigh. When she awoke, Ahnah shared her dream with Akiak. It was an idea worth following. They started digging a tunnel toward the top of the hill. Ahnah and Akiak shoveled the snow with kayak paddles. They dug with wooden utensils. They scooped with bone tools. They clawed with bare hands and paws. The dog and the girl worked tirelessly despite their hunger and thirst. Many, many hours later, they reached the top of the hill. Ahnah and Akiak dug out the heavy boulders and rebuilt the cairn. Ahnah put her favorite necklace on the inunnguaq's neck. The girl and the dog flattened the snow on the hill and made the landmark visible from miles away. They stopped to admire their work for just a moment. Then they went back to the snow house. Both of them were tired and fell asleep as soon as they closed their eyes. While they slept, the inunnguaq flew through the darkness to the igloo. It silently filled the family sleigh with meat and fish, then returned to stand as a landmark at the top of the hill, its smile wide. Ahnah awoke to the sound of her parents returning. They had not gathered any food, but they were delighted to be back home and to see the family sleigh full of edibles. Ahnah's mother believed the animal spirits had delivered the food. Her father thought the little dog had brought the meat. The girl was sure her parents had come back with the meals. Even Akiak was puzzled. Only the moon knew the truth. It had witnessed the flight of the rocky cairn. It watched the landmark waving its hands to guide Ahnah's parents home. It saw the girl's favorite necklace on the inunnguaq's neck and its smile that was as wide as a sleigh.